As mentioned briefly in previous lessons, the 121.5 MHz frequency is an internationally recognized emergency VHF frequency used for distress and emergency communications in aviations, known as the International Air Distress Frequency, or IAD frequency. It is monitored by air traffic control, or ATC, military stations, and nearby aircraft, making it a critical tool for ensuring safety in emergency situations. Pilots use 121.5 MHz to declare an emergency, using the standard distress call Mayday, repeated 3 times, followed by details of the emergency, example location or nature of the distress. Pan-pan, on the other hand, is used for urgent but not immediately life-threatening situations. Pan-pan can be used again on the 121.5 MHz frequency. Older ELTs transmit continuous distress signals on 121.5 upon activation. Although the newer ELTs use 406 MHz, the 121.5 MHz is still an important frequency for initial detection by nearby aircraft or ground stations. If a pilot loses communication with ATC on a normal operating frequency, switching to 121.5 allows them to reestablish contact and receive assistance, provided their radio's not dead, and that's the entire reason why they lost communications. In situations where aircraft is intercepted by military aircraft for violating restricted airspace, 121.5 is the go-to frequency for you being intercepted. That's not good. It's used for temporary communications between the intercepted aircraft and intercepting forces. Here's an example of a potential mayday. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Cessna 12345, engine failure 5 miles west of Denver, descending through 4,000 feet. This call promotes immediate action and attention from ATC and nearby aircraft, facilitating a rapid response. You're going to be asked about this on the check ride, so memorize 121.5 as the emergency frequency and understand what it's used for and when to use it. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about helicopters, I have a free getting started course down below. I also have a course on how to pay for flight school, and my main course is literally teaching people how to get their private license. I'd love to help you out. We'll see you in the next video.